to Team Cessna's instruction video for our wind tunnel. To begin, your wind tunnel should be in two sections. This gold section is connected to the test section, and this blue section has the fan attached to the end. To connect the two sections, you'd like to have a friend assist you. So take the gold section and gently slide in the test section to the blue section, connecting the two red pieces of wood. Once the two pieces of red wood are connected, attach both latches on the side. Take the fan plug from the left side of the blue section and find the nearest outlet. Take the fan plug and plug into a standard wall outlet.
In order to turn on the fan, twist the knob into the first position. You can adjust the speeds and increase the velocity in the wind tunnel by switching it to 2 and 3. The first experiment is the golf ball experiment, where we'll be testing the angular deflection of these two golf balls. The test platform should look like this before the experiment starts. When you want to change between experiments, simply slide this out and slide the other golf ball in. Make sure that the two lines line up so that the golf ball is in a similar position to before. To perform the experiment, simply place the test platform inside the wind tunnel as shown. Make sure that the protractor is facing towards you so that you can see the angular displacement while the experiment is running. Now simply close the lid, turn on the fan, and observe.
This is the drag experiment. The first thing you want to do is take this car and place it in the test section. Then you're going to want to take this hook and put it on the front bumper of this car. Next, close the lid of the test section and turn on the wind tunnel. Then you can see that after this basket is elevated, you can put screws in here to weigh the basket down until it overcomes the effects of drag on the vehicle in the wind tunnel.
Other cars can be placed in the test section to compare the drag forces between the two vehicles. This experiment is also open for the children to place whatever they want inside the wind tunnel to compare the drag forces created on those objects.
For the third experiment, we have a paper airplane attached to a clip. Now we're going to have you guys, the students, make your own paper airplanes and attach it to the clip. Before we put it in, we're going to add this in the test section with the strings facing the blue section and making sure these are at the top so the screws will fit in when you close the lid. Slide it in there. Make sure the strings aren't caught under. And now we put the paper airplane in the test section and make sure the strings are out of the way. Even out the platform if you need to. Close the lid and turn it on. Second part, you can adjust the angle of attack. Let's say if we bring it up, close the lid, turn it on. As you observe, this 2 yellow strings up top. You may see them spin around, which shows vortices or turbulence. And if you adjust, put the plane in the center of the strings, you'll see both of them moving. And if you change the angle of attack again, put it facing down, you may need to move the clip forward, close the lid, and watch the strings. You may want to adjust, and now you can see after you're done with the experiment, make sure you remove this part of the honeycomb structure for other experiments.
For the bonus experiment, all you do is fold a paper airplane and tape a long string to the nose of it. Place the paper airplane inside the diffuser, and then feed the string through the air straightener that has the square colored black. Then close test section door and have somebody else turn on the wind tunnel as you hold on to the string. Alright, so to adjust the flight of the plane, you can pull it closer or further away, let it go further away from the air straightener. Lowering the speed of the fan may help it fly straighter.
Unplug the wind tunnel. Unlatch each side of the test section.
Grab both handles on the contractor and slide it out.
Store like such.